Paulie out here in the garage. I got a dead battery here in the John Deere. She's dirty, but she's been kept in the garage all winter so far. But I got a dead battery, so I got the charger hooked up on there. That's not what this video is about. What this video is about is something I recently purchased. The other day, little lady and I went to Home Depot. We went by the little barbecue section, and my mind started going kind of in all directions. My wife says, "No, we're moving." I'm like, "You're right." At work last night on break, I was looking online, Facebook Marketplace, and let's go back to Home Depot. What I was looking over there at Home Depot was one of those nice big round bubbly Weber barbecues that cost over $200. So let's jump back to last night at work. I'm looking on Marketplace and I see that same barbecue for $30 on Marketplace. So guess what I did? I bought it. Now, I never paid for anything using the Facebook Pay tool, whatever you call it. But I said, "Hey, I want it." The lady says, "Okay, just pay me through Facebook." I was kind of reluctant to do that. I didn't know whether to trust her or not, but the neighborhood where she lived, after she gave me the address, I figured, yeah, I can probably trust her. Pretty good neighborhood. Very nice neighborhood, actually. In the pictures, it does show these blemishes here. I'm okay with that. I don't even care. I don't care about, I mean, it'd be nice if they weren't there, but. Thing of beauty. I'm gonna clean this up. My wife says, "I don't like that grill." I said, "Don't worry, I'll buy a new one." And I am dying to use this thing. I am dying to use it. One of the greatest concerns I have, I mean, that grate ain't that bad. It's a nice grill. I love this grill. One of the concerns I have is, does this lid fit right? Does it have a good seal? And I'm pretty sure it does. What I'll do is probably put a light inside there and see if I can see any light coming through the rim. I don't know, or I don't know. But I'm pretty excited for $30. Not a bad deal. Oh, okay. Got a little bit of ash in there. Cool. Everything seems to be in working order. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a video using this beauty, and if I can find it, I'll get the grill. Might need to tighten some things up, but this thing is really good. I will not be lighting this thing up in here with those in here, but we will surely get some grilling action here, and I'm gonna do it this weekend. How soon I get the video out, I don't know, but I'll get one out as soon as I can. So that's about all for this video. See you guys next time.